Hi Shashank, good morning. How was the sprint for you?
Hello Rohini. It was a bit overwhelming for me.
Sorry to hear that, but your planned tickets seemed like a usual workload.
Yes, but I have been getting a lot of unplanned tickets in last few sprints and it's very stressful to complete them.
I agree. High priority ad hoc tickets can be challenging. I wish there was a way to predict stress level based on assigned tickets before we start the sprint.
I don't see any such application on the internet, but I exactly know something that can help us here. I recently completed GitHub Universe Learning Challenge and we can use a trial version of GitHub Copilot and create a small Jira application for our sprint board from scratch quickly and get it going.
Introducing Sprint Pulse, an AI app for Jira boards that predicts team members' burnout and prioritizes employee mental health. While working on our idea, we faced two major challenges. First was unavailability of open source data. So we had to create a synthetic data and train baseline model for the pilot. We used random forest for burnout classification and fine-tuned it with grid search algorithm. Second challenge was zero experience in Jira app development. So here, GitHub Copilot acted like a third teammate on VS Code. It helped us in minimizing time by quickly generating real-time TypeScript code without referring to Jira API documentation, assisted us in creating synthetic data for ML model training using multiple Python libraries. It provided smart, context-aware suggestions for Flask API integration on Azure, and finally enabled us in participate in both GitHub Copilot Hackathon and the Atlassian Hackathon.
We can install the Sprint Pulse from the above URL and you can also get the app for your Jira board. This is how a typical project looks like on Jira. We can see multiple widgets showing statuses about sprints, including the workload distribution among the team members. Currently, we have 3 team members on this board, current tickets of ongoing sprint, and then the story points of each ticket. We already have Sprint Pulse application installed here. You will notice it does a basic fetch of data and provides results. We primarily use data from the last 3 sprints to make current sprint predictions. The factor consists of number of tickets, total story points, and more complex fields like the days on which ad hoc tickets were assigned during the sprint. The AI model in response gives prediction in 4 categories: no burnout, hardly likely, likely, and definitely. Definitely being the most concerning. For all the 3 team members that are on the board, this is the prediction. As we can see, the prediction has come out to be likely. That means I'm almost on the verge of getting into definitely category and then marking as a burned out. Maybe I can go and update my story points from 8 to 5 to see if the AI prediction is changed. Going back to Sprint Pulse again, it will gather the current data again. And now I'm falling under hardly likely category. We have used Python for model training and APIs. On front end, we have used Forge UI Kit for serverless application and Jira APIs. The app does not store any data on or outside Jira application and everything is rendered real time.